Okay, what's in the box? This is the box I've been waiting for. The Border Patrol had seized it for a total of 12 days while they x-rayed it and sniffed it and poked it and did whatever they did. They finally released it to me, so we're going to find out what's in the box. It comes all the way to us from the Netherlands, from Tom's Lighters. So let's have a quick little look here. First look, we're all going to see it together. It's nice to see we got it well packed. Oh my gosh, what did I get? A can of soup? Looks like it. Tom's Tomato Soup. I ordered a lighter, not soup. Well, let's have a closer look. Let's see if we can get this open. All right. Looks like party time. Here we got our limited edition card, lighter number 62 of 100. That's kind of special to me because that's the year I was born in, 1962. Gotta like that. Let's dig a little deeper. See what we got. Oh, wall art displays. You know what else we got? Anything else? Dig a little deeper. There it is. What we've all been waiting for. Tom's Lighters Tomato Soup Lighter. There it is. Custom made. It's right out of the Netherlands. Wow. Gotta love that. Tom's Lighters Tomato Soup. Thanks so much. I've been waiting for this for quite some time and it finally got here. It'll be a nice addition to my collection.